Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I will be unboxing April's Fabbag. So yes, I did receive this bag 2 days ago and I've been trying and testing lots of products, all the products. So let me just show you what did I receive in my April's Fabbag. So this is the bag that you will get this month and the logo is down here. And let's see. Okay, so this month you will get 5 products and four products with the name and the information on the card, and one product will be the bonus product. Okay, so let me tell you something about Fabbag. Fabbag is a monthly subscription box for India, and that's good because you are not able to find good monthly subscription boxes in India. So Fabbag is a good one. First of all, so you will get products, 5 or 6 products, or sometimes 4 products in a month, and you have to, it's a surprise and you have to go according to that. So the plans that they offer 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and 12 months, and if you go for higher month plan, and you will get discount according to that. Like if you go 12 months plan, you will get 30% off, and if you choose for 3 months plan, you will get 11% off. So I was for 3 months plan. I don't know why, but I always choose 3 months plan. But I guess next month I will go for 6 months plan, or again 3 months plan. I don't know why. And they do, if your plan expired, then they will give you 10% off card, which I will be using that. So this month I did received 3 coupons. One is for contest, one is for information, the product information card, and the second one it's a 15% off in Organic Harvest brand. So I will be not using this card, so I will be linking all the information on here in my description box down below. So if you want to purchase eco-friendly products from Organic Harvest, so, and it will be valid up to 31st July 2019, so it's 2 months. So just check it out if you want it. Okay, the first product that I have is Hell Crayon lipstick by Sugar Cosmetic, this one, and with this you will get free sharpener. So I am happy about this one and this one. So I am wearing this color right now on my lips. It's like orange type of red color. So far it does not give me any trouble on applying the product and removing the product. It is easy to remove as well as it is easy to apply. So I'm not going to review this lipstick on this blog, but I will be doing a separate video for this lipstick because I think this is a great product, so you guys have to watch that video too. So I'm really very happy to receive this product on my Fabbag, and this lipstick cost 800 rupees. 800 rupees. This retails for 800 rupees. So this is a really very good bargain and this good offer this month's pack. So far so good. I'm loving this product and I'm loving this month's pack. Okay, so the second product that I have received in this month's pack is nail polish by the brand called Inara. Okay, so am I spelling this brand right or wrong? Please comment it in the comment section down below. This is a Cosmo Beauty nail lacquer and the color is red. Yes, Pulse. What the color is name? It doesn't say what color that I got, but the color is red. And this retails for 450 rupees. So this is the nail polish. So far I'm loving the color because it is a neutral tone color. Everyone can wear this type of color, but the wearing of this nail polish is this. So I'm wearing this nail polish for 2 days, and this is the 3rd day, and it cracks. It already cracked. It like cracked on the 2nd day. So for the price 450 rupees, and this is not a gel polish, so it will not last long on your nails, of course, but they did not mention what color name it is. Like, what is this called? Pulse it is called. It has some. And the 3rd product that I have received is the Organic Harvest Diamond Shine and Glow Face Kit. So this has 6 steps in this kit, and this retails for 295 rupees. I think this is like so interesting product that I have received so far in Fabbag, and I do like to try this product, and I will try it on camera. I will make a blog about this one, like what is the result and the shine that it gives. So let's just test it, and I will see you guys on my next video for this one. Next, I don't know when it will be, but let's see. So the 4th product that I have received is the brand called Kronokare. It's a Pollu-Stop Hair Mist. So this product protects your hair from pollution. What it says on this is it's for all the hair types. Invisible shield against pollution, nanoparticles that protects, nourish and strengthen the hair, free of sulfur, that is good, mineral oil and paraben, fragrance and silicone. It does not have any of this. So the direction of use is spray directly over the clean and dry hair before being exposed to pollution particles. Why particles? I don't understand. Pollution, just pollution isn't good. Can be used before ironing or any other hair heat styling. Okay, let's see. I just want to smell is so nice. I just want to smell it. So it has like Ayurvedic or organic smell to it, but it says it does not contain any fragrance, so it must be Ayurvedic. Let's just see. Okay. And the bonus product that I have received is by Global Beauty Secrets. So this is a Turkish day cream, watermelon and argan oil. I have not used this, but I am using on this here. So this is the day cream for your face, and it should be watermelon and argan oil. Oh my god, the smells heavenly. So it does smell watermelon, and it should contain argan oil in it. I love this brand. I love all the products that this brand have so far. So I'm loving its moisturization, this day cream, as well as the mask that I have received in previous Fabbag. So far I'm loving this brand and the products they have. So that's it for this month's April's Fabbag. I hope you guys like this video, and please give it a like, and do subscribe my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and see you guys on my next video.